Bytello Class is an easy-to-use software that provides powerful tools for educators to create and deliver lessons, engage with learners, and achieve extraordinary learning outcomes. Let's take a look at what this application does. The most commonly used features are at the bottom. There are Select, Pens, Eraser, Undo. More features can be found by clicking More. There are tools for different teachers such as chemistry, painting, music, and so on. The lower right corner is the photo upload and activity feature. This is the page manager where you can quickly switch PowerPoint. At the bottom left, here are the menu back to desktop, open files, and screen sharing. By clicking the menu, users can share the page, save your work in the cloud, and export locally, give feedback on use, get product help, and log in to the account. Click back to the desktop. You can still use the tools of the floating toolbar to teach.